If you're planning to visit Alishan from Taipei or Taiwan, one of the fastest and most convenient ways to get there is by taking the Taiwan High-Speed Rail or THSR. In this video, I'll show you the complete process from booking your THSR ticket on Klook all the way to reserving your ticket schedule and viewing your seat assignment. And if you're booking through Klook, don't forget to use our promo code VA-Klook to enjoy extra savings on eligible bookings. So let's get started. Your first step is to book your THSR ticket on Klook. First, open the Klook app or website. In the search bar, type Taiwan High-Speed Rail. Open the THSR ticket package and review the available options. For our trip, we selected our departure station as Taoyuan High-Speed Rail Station, and for our destination, we chose Chiayi High-Speed Rail Station because we're going for an Alishan tour. Then you have to select the number of passengers and proceed to checkout. Before completing your booking, don't forget to try our Klook promo code VA-Klook. If by any chance the promo code has already reached its redemption limit or is no longer available, don't worry. You can still get discount by using the Klook affiliate link that I've placed in the description box below. Using the affiliate link won't cost you anything extra, but it helps our small channel and allows us to continue creating more travel guides, tutorials, and destination reviews like this one. Once your payment is successful, Klook will send you a booking confirmation email containing all the details you'll need for your reservation. The most important information you'll need is the redemption code, which you'll find out why soon. You'll also find a link that redirects you to the official Taiwan High-Speed Rail website. Once you're on the THSR website, look for the Manage button located on the top right-hand corner. Click it and a new form will appear asking for your booking details. Enter the following information: redemption code from Klook, passport number, and CAPTCHA verification. Once everything is entered correctly, click Send. The system will retrieve your booking information. On the page, you'll see number of tickets purchased, order number, payment date, redemption validity period, and refund validity period. You'll also notice that the passenger information is already displayed. This is because the details you entered during the Klook booking are linked to your redemption code. After confirming that everything is correct, click the Reserve button. The system will show available train schedules. Simply choose the train that best matches your itinerary. Now you can choose your travel date. A calendar will appear. Select your preferred travel date. Next will be your preferred departure time. Now you can choose your departure station. In our case, we are departing from Taoyuan HSR station. And our arrival station will be at Chiayi HSR station. Once you've selected your train, click Confirm. Your reservation is now complete, but don't forget to verify your reservation. After confirming, you'll be redirected back to your booking page. You should now see your reserved train schedule. You'll also have the option to change reservation or cancel reservation. If you can see these options, your reservation was successfully completed, and now you will see that you have an assigned reservation number. Now, how to view your seat assignment? To check your assigned seat, click on the button that says My Reservation Information. A new page will open displaying the following: travel date, train number, departure station, departure time, arrival station, arrival time, travel duration, car number, and seat number. I recommend taking a screenshot of this page and saving it on your phone for easy access during your trip. Now here's a few frequently asked questions. Do I need to reserve a seat? The answer is no. You can still travel using the non-reserved seating option. This is useful if you're not yet sure what time you'll arrive at the station. However, during weekends, holidays, and peak travel periods, non-reserved cars can become crowded. If all seats are occupied, you may need to stand until seats become available at the later stations. Since reserving online is completely free, I highly recommend making a reservation if you already know your travel schedule. That way, you'll have peace of mind knowing that your seat is already secured. And that's how you book and reserve your Taiwan High-Speed Rail ticket from Taoyuan to Chiayi using Klook and the official THSR website. If you're also planning an Alishan trip, make sure to check our travel experience videos, where we share our complete journey from Taoyuan to Chiayi, our THSR experience, and our unforgettable Alishan tour adventure. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Taiwan travel guides, transportation tips, and itinerary ideas. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one. Hello, Taiwan!